Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on your MacBook laptop. First, since I can't record a video showing my screen while turning my laptop on, I will show you the button that is responsible for turning on your Mac laptop on one of those images. So let's open this image, zoom on it. For this touch bar MacBook Mac laptop, click on this button on this corner. This is the turn on. This is the button that you need to click on this. I think this is a newer model or a recent model. This is the power on button. It is one on the top right corner. This is it. Click on it, and your laptop will show the Apple icon. It will start showing you the Apple icon. Let's repeat the same thing for this. For this laptop on this image is similar to the one I am using right now. As you see, this is the fingerprint button, and this is also the button that I use to turn on my laptop. Just click on it. I mean a physical click, not a touch click. And this is how to turn on a Mac laptop. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.